Alright, y'all, check this out. So first off, this is a Whirlpool CABRIO. I bought it off of someone, so I don't really have the instructions that go with it, but I just wanted to make a video because when I was looking up what to do, there were like 3 videos to go off of. So I just thought I would add, give you guys the 4th one. So my first code was what looked to be 5D. It was actually a Suds Detected code. And then we kept trying to run the washer. We kept trying. After a while, I was like, all right, I'm just going to drain it. And then I'm trying, see if the inside, like this spinner thing was the issue. So then after I did all that, I tried to run another load, smaller loads, of course, just a quick wash and rinse. That didn't want to drain either. So my next code was a LD. That code, I'm actually going to put it in the description of what that code meant, because I actually still don't know what it meant. Long story short, we have this, what is this called? A filter? It's not a filter. A pump, excuse me, it's a pump. You have a right pump and a left pump. One's red, one's blue. So I saw in a different video, they like unplug the blue side. Excuse me, sorry guys. They unplugged the blue side. I'm actually not even gonna do that. I'm just going to grab this. This became the issue. So this was actually here attached to, excuse me, sorry. Attached to both of these like that. Actually like use these pliers right here. Whatever size you have, it doesn't really matter as long as it can fit around there. You want to squeeze the ring and it'll open. You take that off, and here is where all your issues are, like all your gunk and stuff like that. We've had the washer for a while. The issue with this is I actually washed some like car rugs that were like super dirty. They were stringy and stuff like that, and that's why I now have a problem. My washer's been out of commission for at least 2 months, and yeah, I'm finally fixing it. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys because, like I said, there weren't many videos to go off of. So I hope this helps you guys. I'm gonna actually grab a screwdriver now and try and pull that out. Alrighty guys, so I am currently using a pair of tweezers. I can't find anything else long enough to fit in there, but like, you guys would be surprised what could fit through here. So just make sure you keep trying. Make sure this little thing, I thought this was like a piece of rug, but that actually goes in there. These are like plastic, I don't know, bridges or something like that. But just get the gunk from up here and stuff like that. I don't know what this is. I'm glad I can like see through there, because that's very helpful. But yeah, make sure you're just like trying to get the surrounding gunk from in there, and then you should, honestly, I feel like this is like gonna be the issue, because I just watched a different video. And yeah, just keep trying to get this out of here. Keep using your tweezers and get out whatever lint you can grab. Yeah, good luck. Alright, all of this came out of this small little hole. I used a pair of tweezers. You can use some long scissors if you have those too. I don't even know what this is. Yeah, I have no idea. But yeah, keep trying. Keep going till you pretty much have all this area clear. I'm sure it'll run right now and actually drain, but I'm probably going to grab a wire now and try and go around in there and see if I can get that last little bit, and then I'll put it all back together. Put this back on here with these 2 clips. This one goes back here. This one goes closer to the filter pump thingy. that is going to conclude my video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like the video.